Hello everyone. We need motivation, and guess what? Motivation, yes. So here's how I decided to motivate myself. I challenged myself recording me speaking in English. Here is my process of writing a paper, and I use Zotero databases, so this is why I choose Zotero to do this video and videos, because I plan to make more videos, maybe shorter ones still. Yeah. When I listen myself, I notice that I use the word here a lot. It is kind of annoying, but I did not record again because this is the challenge I planned. And this is the challenge that I try to be in the present. So I did not that video, the recording again. However, next time I'll be more aware of not using that word that much. So let's go. Let's start now. Uploaded the article here, as you can see here. When you double click, you'll see the paper here, and when you click here, there's the information part. You can change here, of course, if sometimes the dates are wrong, as you can see here, so I can change that. This is important because when you get citations or bibliography from Zotero, you will be informed with this part. So when the date is wrong, you will be given wrong information. So when coming to here, I usually use the tags like this, so it will be more easy to find it as separated. When you separate it like that, you can see here. So you can use another thing to, for example, separate words from one another, but I usually use this one. So since this is about mental health and depression and alexithymia, I use these words. As you can see, there are the keywords on the paper. You can use these ones too. For example, here I use alexithymia, and I already used that. So I click again to add another one. Depression I used before. And I want to use comorbidity, if I can write it, because I will use this paper as a reference when I will say whether alexithymia is associated with specific mental disorders. So coming up as a comorbidity, for example, you have depression, and it is likely that you will show symptoms of alexithymia as well. These will be my cues to look for when I will use papers for comorbidity for alexithymia. I think that's enough. I don't need to use other words. That will be enough for me. Alright. So when I want to get, for instance, a bibliography from here, I can choose from here. For instance, I usually use American Psychological Association, but you can use Chicago or other things for your bibliography. And when you click OK and go for the place where you want to use your paste the copied information here, for instance, this is my reference page. I use Notion. Of course, these are not alphabetically ordered. L comes from G, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, L. Okay, that's it. Mostly I'm confused when it comes to alphabetic order. Okay, so this will be a short video, as I told in my other videos. This was an example for making tag information I get in bibliography. And also you can add notes here. For instance, I want to get the abstract or other citations, for instance, here. I just copy it and paste it here. It automatically gives the citation part. This is really cool for Zotero. I mean, you don't have to look for how to cite, how to get the information. As I said before, you need to be careful about this information though. For instance, when I change the date, let's do that again. Give me the date different and change here too. Okay, so when I change the date here, automatically will be changed here, as you can see. Let's delete here. All right, that's it for today.